ls lists files, cut extracts columns. Two simple Linux commands you'll use every day. Let's see them in action. ls shows files and folders in the current directory. Here we have two text files, a folder named Images, and a Word document. LH adds more detail and makes file sizes human-readable. Now we see permissions on the left, the file size in bytes or kilobytes, and the last modified date. Here's a CSV file we'll work with. It contains names, roles, and locations separated by commas. Cut D. F1 tells Linux to split the file by commas and show only the first column. The output now contains just the names from our file. Here, L lists all details, and cut keeps only the first and fifth fields, permissions and file size. We now see only the permission codes, which control who can read, write, or execute the file, and the file sizes, without any of the extra details like owners, dates, or file names. You can combine with grep to filter results, like showing only CSV files. And here's just our CSV file, filtered from the full list. Simple commands, powerful results, that's Linux in action. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tech tips.